You burned the meat this time, huh?
You know what? Edward told me he had lunch at Helen's yesterday, and she's just had her kitchen completely redone. You know, new floors, new paint, new microwave, new sonic dishwasher.
Well, ain't that something?
Jim, didn't you tell me that your mother had her kitchen redone as well?
Yeah. My dad just got himself a bunch of new toys. Big screen TV, CD players, VCR with 4 heads.
Oh, 4 whole heads, huh?
Could you imagine what it's like to be that rich?
They keep pretty much everything locked up. He's so cheap, he won't even help me get a car.
Oh, speaking of finances, I hear you're not charging the neighbors for gardening, Edward.
Oh, yeah. Helen gave Edward cookies yesterday.
Cookies, huh? You can't buy the necessities of life with cookies. You can't buy a car with cookies, can you, Jim? Jim's friend.
That's true, sir, he can. I'm not eating that. Use his hands, I don't think it's sanitary.
Oh, Kim, I'm sorry.
Whoa, that's a big piece of meat, Edward. You trying to show me up?
What?
I see the way that you look at her.
No, what? No.